Hello, little explorers, and welcome back to Kids. Step by Step, where learning is fun. Are you ready for an awesome adventure? Today, we are diving deep into the ocean to meet some amazing sea creatures and even some cool land animals. So, let's get started. First up, say hello to the clownfish. These bright little fish love warm waters, like the Red Sea and the Pacific Ocean. They have a super cool superpower. They can hide safely among sea anemones, whose stings don't hurt them at all. And get this, they make little popping and clicking sounds to talk to each other. How neat is that? Next, let's talk about whales. All toothed whales have a special organ in their forehead called a melon, which helps them make sound. Some whales are clever hunters and create bubble nets to trap their food. And the biggest animal on Earth, the blue whale, can make calls that travel for hundreds of miles underwater. It's like they're singing across the ocean. Look at this vibrant fish. This is a blue tang, also known as a regal tang or blue hippo tang. With its brilliant blue color, it's the star of the coral reefs. It's hard to miss this beauty swimming by. Quack, quack. Let's talk about ducks. When you see a duck cleaning its feathers, that's called preening. Their eggs hatch in about 28 days, and the cute little ducklings can learn to fly in just 5 to 8 weeks. Ducks waddle because their webbed feet are great for swimming but a little clumsy on land. Now, let's meet the king of the savannah, the lion. Most lions live in Africa, and the males can weigh up to 30 stone. A male lion's mane isn't just for looking good. It tells other lions about his age and how strong he is. It's like his very own storybook. Whoa! Look at this master of disguise. It's the octopus. This incredible animal can change its color to blend in with its surroundings. It can turn gray, blue, green, pink, or even bright red when it's feeling angry or excited. It's like a real-life superhero. And here comes a squid. Squids have 2 long tentacles and 8 arms. Their soft bodies are protected by a strong muscle called a mantle. They are super fast swimmers and can shoot through the water like a rocket. Next up, the mighty orca, also known as a killer whale. These animals are at the very top of the food chain, which makes them apex predators. They are powerful hunters that eat fish, squid, and even seals. Let's stomp on over to elephants. Did you know elephants are the only mammals that can jump? And a mother elephant carries her baby for almost 22 months before it's born. That's the longest pregnancy of any land animal. Watch out for the crocodile. These powerful hunters are experts at ambushing their prey. They eat all sorts of things, from fish and birds to mammals. With their eyes and nostrils on top of their heads, they can hide almost completely underwater while looking for their next meal. Slow and steady wins the race, right? That's the turtle's motto. There are over 350 different kinds of turtles. They might move slowly, but their hard shells give them excellent protection from anyone who might want to bother them. Now for a truly unique parent, the seahorse. It's the male seahorse, the dad, who carries the babies. Seahorses are also very loyal and often stay with the same partner for their whole lives. Have you ever seen a hermit crab? These little guys can live for more than 30 years in the wild. They don't grow their own shells, so they borrow empty ones from other sea creatures for protection. They often travel together in big groups or colonies. Splish, splash. It's a sea lion. Sea lions are related to walruses, and they have a cool trick. They can flip their back flippers forward to help them walk on land. They are super playful and love to bark and socialize. Look at that unique head. It's a hammerhead shark. There are 9 different types of hammerhead sharks, and their strange-shaped heads actually help them find food hiding in the sand. And they don't seem to be bothered by stingray barbs at all. Now for a land animal with style, the zebra. Every single zebra has its own unique pattern of stripes, just like our fingerprints. They're all different. And here's a fun fact. Zebras can even sleep while standing up. Let's head to the farm to see some sheep. Sheep have an amazing field of vision, almost 300 degrees. This means they can see behind themselves without even turning their heads. It helps them watch out for danger. Don't get too close to this one. It's a puffer fish, also called a blowfish. This fish can puff up into a big, spiky ball when it feels threatened. It can grow to several times its normal size to scare away predators. Here's another reptile, the alligator. Alligators live near freshwater, like lakes, swamps, and rivers. They are powerful swimmers and carnivores, which means they eat meat. Look up in the tree. It's a parrot. Parrots are incredibly smart birds. Some can even learn to use tools. They have very strong toes that are perfect for gripping branches and climbing high up in the trees. And finally, let's hop over to frogs. Adult frogs don't have tails, but they do when they are young tadpoles. With their long legs and webbed feet, they are fantastic jumpers and swimmers. Rabbits! Wow, what an incredible journey! From color-changing octopuses to seahorses, the animal kingdom is full of amazing surprises. Which animal fact was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you had fun learning with us, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome adventures. Thanks for watching and see you next time.